Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration of the TouchIT Rapide LED. The TouchIT Rapide LED is the fastest interactive flat panel on the market. Available in 4 sizes and built on the Android 8 operating system, the Rapide makes light work of your everyday tasks. For the first time, your interactive flat panel can actually replace the need for a computer in the classroom or boardroom. This is exactly what our customers have been asking us for: the ability to do more directly on the LED without a computer. Finding your way around the Rapide is easy. Download hundreds of free apps from the TouchIT App Store with just a few clicks. Looking for something that is not in the store? No problem. Just ask. If it is free and suitable for the classroom, we can add it to the store in as little as 24 hours. Once you've downloaded some apps, why not customize the menu to display the apps that you want to use on your LED? This enables you to totally personalize the look and feel of your TouchIT Rapide LED, so you have quick access to the apps that you need. Whether you are looking to browse the web, play high-definition videos, or use your favorite apps, all of this can be done natively on the LED without the need for your computer. Need a quick whiteboard session or a pen to annotate over a website? No problem. Your tools are always just a quick swipe away. And don't forget, all TouchIT Rapide LEDs come with the license-free Contribute Cloud software. Collaborate with your students or colleagues, share content, wirelessly multicast, and make use of our multi-zone learning games in the classroom. For the first time, Contribute Cloud can now be run directly from the interactive LED, so no need for that computer. And if you're just not sure how powerful the TouchIT Rapide LED is, we even recorded this HD video that you're watching now directly on it. How cool is that? With an anti-glare tempered glass finish, room-filling audio, and up to 40-point multi-touch, all of this being backed up with a 3-year on-site warranty? What are you waiting for? Contact us today for a demonstration to see just how this technology can benefit you. TouchIT Rapide from TouchIT Technologies. Do more with an interactive flat panel.